Welcome to her video and welcome to another day in Toronto.
Welcome to my video, friends. Yes, welcome to another day in Toronto where we continue to observe social distancing practices. Today I am going to show you how I turn regular plain cream cheese into urban garlic cream cheese, which is my favorite and which you can purchase at the store. But I think this is so much more delicious and it's a favorite of ours. It's nothing complicated. You can totally personalize it, and it's probably exactly what you think it is, but I'm going to show you anyway how I turn plain cream cheese into urban garlic cream cheese. You only need a couple of ingredients to pull this off, one of which of course is cream cheese. I'm also going to be using a clove of garlic. After all, this is urban garlic cream cheese. If you don't like the flavor of raw garlic, you can use roasted garlic or garlic powder. I'm also going to be adding some green chilies into this urban garlic cream cheese. It's going to have a bit of an Indian flair to it. As you can see, I'm using dhania or coriander or cilantro. This herb is really commonly used in Indian cuisine and in so many cuisines throughout the world, but I know it's also very polarizing. So if you don't like cilantro, use any herb of your choice. Now I've chopped up the cilantro really finely, just so that it incorporates nicely into the cream cheese. Now this plastic fork is a really essential tool for me because it has a bit of a springiness to it, a kind of bounce to it, and I find that works really well for combining the ingredients. And that's what we're going to do now. So I have the finely chopped dhania. I'm just going to add that into the cream cheese, and I'm going to add some finely minced garlic. I just got this garlic crusher like 2 months ago. I had never used this thing in my life, but let me tell you, it is a game changer. I think I might have been the only person left on the planet not using one of these, but it is really convenient. You put the clove in, you squish it, it comes out really finely minced. So I love that gadget, by the way. And I'm gonna cut up my green chilies, again, really finely. I'm trying to do everything as finely, as small as possible so that it mixes well and incorporates nicely with the cream cheese. This, of course, is optional. You don't have to add green chilies. If you want to just add a bit of cracked black pepper, or if you don't want to add any spice or any heat at all, that's fine. You don't have to do that. And then I take my very technical green plastic fork and I start to combine the ingredients with the cream cheese. It helps if your cream cheese has been sitting outside of the fridge for maybe like 20 minutes to half an hour. At least it's not cold and hard straight out of the fridge. That is looking pretty good to me. The ingredients definitely seem nicely incorporated. The cheese looks as smooth as it's going to get. If you don't want to have this right away, you can probably store it in your fridge for about 4 or 5 days. I would really recommend eating it before that because it does contain really fresh ingredients and you don't want those to sit and just die in the fridge and mixed up in the cream cheese. My favorite way to enjoy this is, of course, on a toasted bagel, so that's what we did. This is our breakfast from this morning, actually, and we toast our bagels in a panini press because that's our toaster. Now, in my younger days, this would have been it. You know, you would have just spread the cheese onto the bagel, put the two halves together and gone about your business. But Pranav actually turned me on to something that I really enjoy, and that is putting fresh cucumber slices or fresh tomato slices inside the bagel sandwich. And I know that that's not really a revolutionary idea. Again, I think this is one of the things that, like, I was one of the few people not doing it, but it's really delicious. When you have a cheese that is thick and creamy, it helps to have something else inside there to cut through that creaminess. And I think tomato is the perfect thing, but sometimes we'll do cucumber as well. So there you go, I'm adding the tomato slices, a little bit of black pepper, and that's it. That is the bagel breakfast sandwich assembled with the fresh urban garlic cream cheese. Thanks for spending time with me. I hope you liked this video. I hope you try this. If you live in India and you don't have this exact type of cream cheese, like Philadelphia cream cheese, you can use the Amul spreadable cheese. That will still be really delicious. And then you could put this on toast or in a grilled sandwich or something, and that would be really scrumptious. So I hope you give this a try no matter where you are, and I hope you're staying safe and well. I'll see you very soon with another video, and until then, I'm going to leave you with some clips of our foster cats who are coming along so nicely. They're growing up. They're about a month old. Even the mom is doing really well. She's getting more confident in her environment, and it's really nice to watch this family grow. All right, I'll see you then, guys. Stay safe.